Continuing our series and our discussion on UPSC Prelims PYQ, let's discuss this particular question that was asked in UPSC Prelims 2022. With reference to the Indian economy, what are the advantages of inflation indexed bonds or IIBs? Government can reduce the coupon rates on its borrowing by the way of IIBs. IIBs provide protection to the investors from the uncertainty regarding inflation. The interest received as well as the capital gains on IIBs are not taxable. Which of the statements given above are correct? So, this particular question is asked from the economy and is a relatively straightforward, easy question, and in which we can use the elimination method as well. So, let's look at the statement one by one. Inflation index bonds protect investors from the erosion of their purchasing power due to inflation. Now, because of this built-in inflation protection, investors are often willing to accept a lower fixed coupon rate on IIBs compared to conventional bonds that do not offer such protection. The government as the issuer can potentially borrow at a lower initial nominal cost since the inflation risk is transferred. So, this makes the first statement correct because the government can reduce the coupon rates on its borrowing by the way of IIBs. The second statement, the IIBs provide protection to the investors from the uncertainty regarding inflation. That is the primary purpose and the advantage of IIBs. So, this second statement also becomes correct. Since the principal or the interest payments are linked to the inflation index like a CPI, investors are protected from the erosion of purchasing power. So, the IIBs, they hedge against inflation risk. Now, looking at the third statement, the interest received as well as the capital gains on IIBs are not taxable. So, this thing is highly unlikely because in India, things are, the investments, they are made taxable. So, it is saying that interest received as well as the capital gains are not taxable. This statement becomes incorrect because as per the Income Tax Act, in India, the interest rate on the IIBs is taxable and the capital gains may also be taxable depending on the holding period and the applicable tax rules. So, the third statement becomes incorrect. So, we can eliminate option B, option C and option D and arrive at the correct answer, that is A.